Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by concentrating heat and patience. Warm the sticker for 1 to 2 minutes from 20-30 cm with a hair dryer so the adhesive softens. This reduces tearing. Once warm, slide dental floss or a thin plastic scraper under an edge and saw gently. This mechanical lift separates sticker layers without melting the case. Make sure to keep the dryer moving to avoid warping. If the edge lifts cleanly, you're ready to peel steadily while reheating small sections as needed. Once the sticker is off, focus on residue. You want solvents that dissolve adhesive but won't fog plastic. Dampen a microfiber cloth with isopropyl 70% or a commercial adhesive remover. Never soak the artwork or insert. Rub in small circular motions while alternating short bursts of heat if needed. Heat loosens glue and lets solvent penetrate. For thick gunk, use a plastic razor at a low angle to lift deposits. Make sure to work gently to preserve the clear plastic and any printed inserts. To finish, wash the case with mild soap and water, rinse, and dry completely to remove solvent traces and avoid streaking. If stubborn glue persists, repeat the solvent plus heat cycle or try chilling the case briefly. Cold can make some adhesives brittle so they scrape off easier. Make sure to test any stronger solvent on an inconspicuous spot first. If the plastic hazes or artwork shifts, stop immediately and switch to gentler methods. You'll end with a clean case without damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.